So this is how you can mark images on WhatsApp on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we start by getting inside of the WhatsApp chats, and let's say that I'm going to send a picture to myself. Let's say it's going to be an image of the camera right there. And before I can send it, you can see that I have the ability to select it like this, and the pencil tool appears in the bottom left corner. So if I click on it, this gives me the ability to change the image even before I send it over WhatsApp. So you can see we can change things like the filters, right? Or whatever else you want to do, but we also have the ability to mark up on it. So you can tap on the pencil icon in the top right, like this, change the color as such, right? So let's say I'm going to make it very visible with the green color. You can choose the thickness like this, and I can basically add whatever I want to that image. And let's say I'm done like this, and now I'm going to send it the image. So not only the picture from the gallery gets sent over, but it also includes my markup right there, and that's essentially how you can do this. But it goes even further, because even if you receive a photo from someone, right, let's say that this is the image which I received, I can as well open it within WhatsApp and click on the pencil icon again, right, to add even more marking in here. So now this is the base image, but I can click on the pencil icon again. Now let me choose the red color, for example, and you can see that I can as well add some more stuff to it. I can go back, right? But let's say I'm gonna just draw another arrow in here. I'm gonna hit it done again, and I'm gonna type in a reply message, right? So you can see that I took the original marked up image and added more stuff to it. That is ideal if somebody sends you like a picture and you want to point to something specifically or visually show something you want to explain, and you send the image back to them. So this is the best way to mark images on WhatsApp. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments, but that would be all from me. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.